blue economy. So for that, I am going to give the lecture in some points like what is blue economy, things that grow blue economy, what is the need for it, what is the challenges for it, and what is India's contribution in blue economy and what can India do in blue economy. So first definition of it, blue economy. This word was first introduced by Genter Pauli's book in 2010. So according to the World Bank, according to the World Bank definition, blue economy is a substantial use of ocean resources for economic growth, improved livelihoods, and jobs creation, while preserving the health of ocean. The greenery of ocean development strategies for the higher producting and conservation of ocean level. So things that grow blue economy. One is renewable energy. Substantial money energy can play a vital role in social and economical development. Second one is fisheries. Fisheries can generate more revenue, more fish, and help to restore fish stocks also. So the third one is transport. Over 80% of international goods trade are transported by sea, obviously by marines and by what can I say, by ships, right? So the fourth one is tourism. Ocean and coastal tourism can bring jobs and economic growth to the country. Also climate change. Ocean are an important sink and help to observe carbons. So it can causes a climate change also. And also waste management. Better waste management and on land can help oceans recover. So the need for blue economy. Oceans cover 3/4 of Earth's surface and contain 97% of Earth's waters and represent 99% of living area on the planet. Oceans protect biodiversity, keep the planet cool, and absorb 30% of global carbon dioxide. And at least 3 to 5% of global GDP is diverted by oceans only. Blue economy, through substantial use of ocean, has a great potential for boosting our economy growth and give can generate many opportunities like income and jobs. It can support food security and also diversification to the address new resources for energy, new drugs, chemicals. It can also provide chemicals and protein food, deep sea mineral, and etc. So here comes the challenges for blue economy. So there are many challenges like armed robbery, piracy, marine terrorism are really big problem for blue economy. Like what happened in South Africa side, there is a massive sea terrorism there. And second one is also climate problems, natural climate problems like tsunami, cyclone, hurricanes are can naturally destroy the blue economy. And there are also man-made problems like oil slips, climate changes. They are also causing a trouble in blue economy. And also marine pollution is also a big challenge for blue economy. So the blue economy for India and what can India do about it? Blue economy can made an impact in India because the three side of India is covered in water, like Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. So it can bring blue economy can bring education and diverse poverty from India. Like it can grow GDP and it can grow economy by 3 to 5%. It has a long coastline. India has a long coastline of more than 7,000 kilometers. So it can also they are also an exclusive economic zone. And money services sectors could serve as a backbone of blue economy. And 80% of global economic trade is happening through Indian Ocean and Indian coastal side. So it can also boost. It can in that way it can also boost economy. So India has also taken step as Sagarmala project is initiated to develop the blue economy. So in that way, India can grow his economy by using blue economy. Thank you. That was my lecture.